In 1951, a group of parents embarked on a mission demanding social justice for their children. Worcester Association was born out of parents' love for their children. Families kept their loved ones home as part of the community, defying the advice of doctors who advised institutionalization. Their fight led to the Worcester Association from Massachusetts opening the door to the right to public education in 1955. They canvassed the state in wagon trains to raise awareness. They forced the paradigms to change as a career center opened to push the boundaries away from employment. The right to community living was realized in 1973 with the first home at Oberlin Street in Worcester. Community was the goal. There was much work to be done, and there was no turning back. In 1996, Seven Hills Foundation was born from the passion of those brave parents who 60 years ago believed that all human beings were entitled to basic freedoms, rights, and a profound sense of dignity.
There's nothing that we take more importantly here at Seven Hills Foundation than the respect and the dignity we afford all of our colleagues. We have over 3,500 employees as of this moment at 180 locations, 2 different states, and in several foreign countries that we're working in at this point in time. The power, the passion, the drive, the success that we achieve is driven by the respect, the dignity that they afford to the folks that we support, children, adults, and seniors.
Now a premier health and human service organization, Seven Hills responds to people with significant life challenges across a spectrum of needs. Knowing families must continue to lead the way, Seven Hills works to support and empower families with a vast array of dynamic services. The lives of children must be nurtured and supported, and no one does this better than Seven Hills. The whole child approach gives families the tools they need to access opportunities for educational, social, and emotional growth. As a comprehensive health and human service organization, Seven Hills understands and responds to the overall well-being of the individual.
So we have a beautiful alignment of treating each other as we would want to be treated and valued. And that's, in essence, the culture of Seven Hills.
Ensuring that people have access to emotional, medical, and behavioral supports and services is the foundation of Seven Hills' standard of care. Providing support in dignified program and natural settings uplifts people to fulfill their aspirations. In Rhode Island, Seven Hills supports adults and seniors through a vast array of supports, empowering people to pursue their dreams. Children's services are the hallmark of Seven Hills, starting with infants and providing support and expertise to families as they grow. Dedicated staff provide a multidisciplinary approach second to none.
If there's any secret behind what we've done over the past number of years in terms of our growth or expansion, it lies in that marriage between our employees, between those we serve, between the leadership of the organization, and the respect, the dignity, the compassion that we all share amongst each other.
Seven Hills Global Outreach is partnering with health, education, and human service organizations and humanitarian efforts to be the catalyst for social change. The employees of Seven Hills represent over 40 countries. Their desire to support their homeland spearheads this movement in Africa, South America, and the Caribbean.
That's the spirit of this foundation. That's perhaps what makes us unique. It's truly an act of selflessness on the part of our employees to give back to people in developing countries that have little, if anything. That speaks volumes to the character of our employees and the character and the culture of this organization. That's what makes Seven Hills Foundation truly unique.